Hey guys, this is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and today behind me, guys, I've got one of one in the nation. This is a Winnebago Ekko that was actually an executive demo unit, so we have got a killer deal on it today, and it is absolutely loaded with features. So this is on a Ford Transit chassis. This is the 350 chassis. It's going to have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost, and it's one of the only Class C's that is all-wheel drive. So here on the outside, you've got a Norcold refrigerator. Do have a 2-burner stovetop with an outdoor kitchen. Back here in the very back, you've got a Truma AquaGo system for the water. That is a true tankless hot water system. And then in the rear, you've got plenty of adjustable storage so that you can fit anything you need for camping. Don't let the small size fool you. This thing is only 23 feet long, but it comes loaded with storage. You've got huge overhead cabinets, plenty of storage underneath the kitchen sink as well. Big kitchen sink with adjustable sprayer, and then you have a 2-burner stovetop as well. Come back here in the kitchen, you've got a 5 cubic foot refrigerator. Then back here in the very back, you've got a king size bed, but it does convert and flip up to where you have 2 twin size beds as well. In the bathroom on this coach, it actually separates into 2 separate areas by locking off your toilet so that you have a full shower as well. Guys, this Winnebago is loaded with absolutely everything and ready for any adventure that you could think of to take it on. It comes equipped with a 2-inch lift kit. Like I said, all-wheel drive. That 3.5 liter EcoBoost is going to get you great fuel economy. Comes with over 400 watts of solar and a built-in generator. This thing's loaded and ready to go. Y'all come check it out here at Moix RV in Conway.